And welcome back. Now, there is more controversy in local table tennis, with 10 clubs seeking an injunction to stop this weekend's Table Tennis Jamaica annual general meeting and elections. TVJ Sports has obtained a letter dated February 4 in which the clubs, through their attorney, has written to Table Tennis Jamaica President Godfrey Lothian requesting the postponement of Saturday's AGM. The letter cites, quote, serious concerns as to the conduct and procedure utilized to achieve the amendments to the Constitution, and also pointed to what the clubs referred to as serious breaches which occurred in the conduct of the said general meeting and voting process. Among the changes made were a name change for the association from the Jamaica Table Tennis Association to Table Tennis Jamaica, as well as term limits for presidents, which will see future bosses able to serve up to 3 4-year terms. TVJ Sports also understands that the clubs are willing to stage a protest at the AGM if it's allowed to go ahead this Saturday.